I don't know. So if we just save. If we migrate, the following assets will be migrated to another content folder. But we've done this already, right? Replace all, but that's not the issue. That's not the issue. The issue is that the other side is missing things. Why would it? I don't understand. I don't understand. Unreal input axis turn, for example. Input action and axis mappings. Can't find input axis events in Blueprint. Alright, look, first person character no gun. Warning. Input X no axis. Why? Can't find input axis events in blueprints. You need to create your axis and action mappings before they are applied in a blueprint. Go to project input. Expand axis mappings in the bindings. Project settings input. Project setting. This is the wackiest thing. Project settings. Inputs. Axis mappings. Oh my god. Wait, I have to do this manually? I can export this stuff. I can export and import. Okay. Okay. Alright, one thing at a time. You have to manually put in all the mappings. Sure. Okay, well. Alright, so you have to actually manually define or input like this. Input, look at this. Axis mappings. Move forward. WS up down. Amazing. Oh, you have to do okay. Export. Config Windows input backup. Config Windows. I don't know if I should. First person input. First person. Okay. So now if I open this one, I'm just wondering if I should export every single setting instead of just the inputs and outputs. Like what else do I need to change? What if I should just change like I should just kind of copy everything over? Settings, project settings, import. Wait. Didn't I save a? What? Didn't I save it? I swear I saved it. Oh my god. Alright, well, never mind. Audio collision. I swear I saved it. Alphabet soup. Maybe you can't save it there. Maybe you can't save it there. Which would make sense, because it's like the INI files of the actual original project. Man. Oh, wait a minute. It's saved in the other one, didn't it? It's per project, isn't it? Settings, project settings. All settings. Well, I don't want all settings because the project name and stuff I don't want. And like description. Build configuration, development, shipping, project, full rebuild. I don't know. Like how master sound, like how much of this is non-default is what I want to know. I export this into alphabet soup. Okay, it's in the other one. Alright, let me just open the other project again, roundabout. Let's just say that if we can't find anything wrong, we don't care about the settings. Only when something doesn't work do we care about the settings. Right. It seems sensible. Alright. It's per project. Project settings. So if we go import from the other one, alphabet soup, config. No, it's not config. Content? Not content. Wait. Cancel. Import. Saved config windows. Unreal project. Alphabet soup. Saved config windows. First person open. So now my input. Access. Wait a minute. It doesn't have that stuff. Input. Alphabet. Oh, what is going on? Saved. Not backup. Config. Windows. Input first person INI open. Okay, now it has that stuff. Alright. Good. Good. Great. So now if I go play. Okay, we can move. Good, we can move. Actually, we could play. Enter, reset. Alright, good, good. Save all. I don't think we need to rebuild. Do we need to rebuild? I don't think we need to rebuild. Alright, let's launch. Man, that was complicated. So every mistake we made teaches us something new. Every mistake we make teaches us something new. And desktop alphabet soup Windows no editor. Let's delete this. This is old. Allow access. Alright. So we got this moving around. Enter resets the whole thing. No more roundabout discussion. Everything else works. Nothing crashes. Let me just walk all the way to the end. Of what makes a good person. And then down to here are B1. The reflection doesn't really work. The reflection doesn't really do anything useful. But B1, there you go. Alright, great. Great. And that stops that. Great. Escape works as well. Build, lighting quality production. Alright, that's great. And package project. Windows 64-bit. We're gonna put this on a desktop alphabet soup. Okay. And this should be a lot faster now because we've cut out a lot of the unused assets, right? So now we're just gonna rebuild it again. And then we'll see how big this is. I mean, that went by pretty fast. Stage command started. Unreal Pack. Package, archive, and wow, that was fast. And it is 300 megabytes. It's still 300 megabytes. The engine is 171 megabytes. The actual game is 130 something megabytes. We run this. It runs as expected. Mostly as expected. No more roundabout discussion. I mean, it's still kind of low resolution, the shadows there, but I'm not that concerned about it. If you pay attention, you can see B1 up there. Alright, enter, resets, and then escape closes. Alright, good. So now let us sit around a lot again and see if it packages into HTML5 or not. This took ages last time. But it took ages because it was doing 3 maps and all the textures. Now that it's only doing 1 map and only the textures we're using, it should be a lot slower, I mean a lot faster. That's good. That's also good. 1081 files. Right. Compressing JavaScript. Binaries HTML5 UE4 game JavaScript. Oh, it's done? That's it? Wait, that's it? That was fast. Alphabet soup HTML5 roundabout.html opens. It Google Chrome, yes, Google Chrome. Opens in Google Chrome. I can't wait. I can't wait. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Well, it's loading. It's a pretty big thing to load. There's no load screen. Oh, wait. Pause, resume. Clear stored game. Wait, it's done loading? That, my friends, is not what you think it is. What the? Pause, resume, full screen? That is not what I was hoping. That's not HTML5. Well, I mean, it's HTML5. It's not doing anything. It doesn't seem to work. Clear stored game, resume, pause, full screen. It doesn't seem to work, does it? Package project, build configuration. Well, I mean, it's development, so it's not shipping. Packaging settings. For distribution, include debug, pack, generate. Supported platforms, HTML5. That's a shame. That is a real shame. What is this down here? What is this up here? I don't know what I'm looking at. That is not correct. HTML5. Why is that not correct? HTML5 launch helper.exe. Name browser server root server port. Starting server localhost 8000. Any? Do we need to host the server before we can? We need a server? HTML5 launch. How on earth does this even work? No, that's not it. That's not it. It's still there's still nothing there. Maybe it's well, first of all, but before we do this, how big is this? 259 megabytes. All right, it's pretty big. Readme.txt. This folder contains pre-compressed files ready for deployment. Please make sure to use the shipping build for final deployment. Uncompressed landing page. Uncompressed symbols if necessary. Local testing. Run HTML5 launcher.exe. Which, I mean, that's the only thing. Local testing to start a web server which is configured to serve compressed files to localhost. It is not a production quality server. To change the port. How to deploy on Apache. So we do need to run this. Before running this. But we have tried that. And it doesn't work. As far as we can tell, it doesn't actually work. But it does say to use the production one instead of the pause, resume. Maybe it's loading. Maybe it's still loading the game. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Let's come back to here. Let's go File, Build Configuration Shipping, and Package for Windows. So this might take a bit longer. I think does this rebuild everything if I package for shipping instead of package for testing? It seems to be the same as before. All right. Windows Node Editor roundabout.exe. That is fine. All that is fine. Wow, it's so bright. Look at that. All this is fine. If I package for HTML, let me just close this. Package for HTML5. I don't know if packaging it for shipping will make it work better than the other one. I'm not sure. Build configuration shipping, and we can zip up project as well. Is this smaller than before? 361, not really. So 361 megabytes. Success, it says. It says it's a success, shipping. Roundabout HTML, roundabout HTML5 shipping. .html, it's a different thing. Launch helper, shipping. I mean, if it doesn't work on the local test, why would it work on a server, right? Like, there's no point getting a host, a web host, if this doesn't work. Yeah, no, it doesn't work. Well, Unreal HTML5 export. Getting started. What are the limitations of HTML5 export? That's not what I want. We're done with that. There's no answers. Well done. Well done. Packaging projects. Unreal HTML5. Documentation. Currently experimental. Some project may not. But this is back in 2016. Oh wait, what's going on? That's back in 2016. So file package. What version? This is 7 or 4.15. 4.15 is a while ago. Uploaded a site to run in HTML5. So let me just test someone else's. Package. Getting started. Developing HTML5. Tappy Chicken. Tappy Chicken is the one that the Unreal guys have made. Wait, this is made in Unreal? This is made in Unreal 4. Tappy Chicken. But that's not even close to 3D, is what I'm trying to say. It's alright, downloading data, preparing, running. And no, No way, it doesn't run. It doesn't run. It doesn't run. It doesn't run, guys. It doesn't run. It's not just me, right? It's not just it doesn't run. No way. HTML5 WebGL. It doesn't run. I'm just gonna click on other people's stuff. Rest House. This browser doesn't seem to support WebGL. Chrome doesn't support WebGL? What is that supposed to mean? Or did it block it? Trying to load scripts from unauthorized... Hold on. Tappy Chicken. Start. Does Chrome not run WebGL really? Download Chromium. A 64-bit browser is currently required to run HTML5 builds. What? It doesn't run on browsers? Chrome? Launch in Chrome. Test a packaged. Really? Download Chromium builds? But this is like the Google Chrome. I mean, we're up to date. We should be up to date. 10 May 2017. I mean, there's no update alert there. Okay, I'm just gonna risk breaking this. I'm gonna test this on Chrome, guys. And it's crashed. Oh wait, no, it's launching. It's launching. It hasn't crashed. It hasn't crashed. So we're gonna compile for Chrome, right? It's compiling. Okay. HTML5 localhost project name on my 64-bit browser. Follow instruction, the device manager, launch Chrome HTML5 connected. However, I'm trying to package the game HTML5. Open the web browser to the getting started guide. What am I doing? Latest version, Chromium 64-bit. Firefox. Am I on Chrome 64-bit? Help. About Google Chrome. It is 64-bit. It's up to date. I don't know. Not opening. Unreal HTML5 Chrome. Getting HTML5 to work on Chrome. This is back in 2014, so it can't be. I mean, this is back in 2015. Oh wait, November 2016. HTML5 build not working in Chrome anymore. All right, this is the most recent. What do we? Oh, I should probably quit that server. Should I quit that server? Did I open that server? It's compiling the shaders. Let me just quit that server for now. It's slowly compiling. I mean, the fact that this is taking so much longer, to compile, suggests that whatever I was doing before wasn't actually doing anything. What? No, come on, dude. Okay, there you go. There seems to be an issue with the new Chrome release. So this is one of the issues with building for the internet, is that internet browsers change all the time. And so when you make complicated things like HTML5, Unreal Engine, like every time like if Google just updates Chrome and it breaks your Unreal, like whose fault is that? Like whose fault is it? Like it's up to you to fix it, right? And since Chrome just keeps getting updated over and over and over again, like every few months or every few weeks, uh, any Chrome build might break Unreal, and so that's the danger of distributing something as complicated as Unreal Engine 4 over a browser, right? Crash halfway through compiling. Now that we're launching Chrome and only Firefox nightly. What version of Chrome? Package a C++ blank project. Launched in the night, running trouble on Firefox nightly tested. The problem only in Chrome 540284071 should not be an issue if you upgrade to Chrome 540284099M. Seems to be working now on 540284099. I see. Okay. So one particular version of Chrome broke it, and then it works again. HTML5 Chrome 64-bit. I don't know, man. I mean, Tappy Chicken wasn't working at all, so... Also, it's taking a long time to compile. HTML5 is taking a long time to compile. And again, the fact that it takes this long to launch, whereas the package was really fast, suggests to me that the packaging didn't actually do everything, because otherwise it should be taking this long as well. Because look, it's compiling shaders for ages and ages. Why would it take so long here on launch but not there on package, right? So we must have missed something. We must have missed a crucial step. Chrome just seems to break Unreal every now and then. Every now and then it just doesn't work for Chrome. Like if you look through all these questions, every now and then it just doesn't work. That's so funny. I don't know what to think about this. Anyway, we are still exporting. Let me just continue compiling this thing for HTML5. and see if anything comes out of it. So yeah, we're just sitting around waiting basically. Mostly sitting around waiting. I think this is the problem though. Just because this is doing so much other stuff that the packaging wasn't doing. So maybe you have to like launch it here to compile all your shaders, which is apparently what it's doing now. And then you go to package it, and it'll take all the compiled stuff and it'll package it. Packaging settings. Yeah, because look, it doesn't go full rebuild, and it's not for distribution, right? So it might be that it's actually not building everything. Although it does concern me. Unreal HTML5 examples. I just want to find an example that works because Tappy Bird doesn't work. Tappy Chicken doesn't work. Tappy Chicken Android Physics Construction Set. Android HTML5 version. This browser doesn't seem to support WebGL. GetWebGL.com can't be reached. This browser, I mean, look at this. This browser doesn't seem to support WebGL. Unreal HTML5 Chrome. This browser doesn't seem to support WebGL. WebGL and resolution errors, blah blah blah. How can I enable WebGL in my browser? Have I just not enabled it? Chrome settings, show advanced settings. Alright, guys, we're gonna go into settings. Settings, show advanced settings. Web. Use hardware acceleration. Oh, flags is something else. Alright, use hardware acceleration. Where is that? Where is that? System. Use hardware acceleration when available. Chrome restart. Okay, let's not do that. Alright, well, flags. Flags. I think it's because I don't have hardware acceleration on. If I turn it on, I have to restart Chrome. And I don't know if you noticed, but I have a lot of Chrome windows. A lot of Chrome tabs open. I don't want to do that right now. Maybe I should do that right now. WebGL. Where? It's not even. Okay, let me just. WebGL. It's not enabled. Enable. I have to relaunch. But that's a draft. Hold on. No. Don't. We don't need to. No, this is draft extensions. WebGL. Default. What does default mean? What does default mean? Change default to enabled. GPU graphics features status. Hardware accelerated. Chrome GPU. Override Why is it so complicated? Let me just. Oh, nuts. Actually, well, since we're here, enabled Chrome GPU WebGL unavailable. Alright. Settings. Advanced. Turn on hardware acceleration. And then restart Chrome. Alright, well, everything died. Everything. Chrome is dead, guys. Long live Chrome. And then it should restart. And we're back. Wow, hey, everything's back. Well. Oh.
Intergalactic, man. We're not looking at the numbers.
Whoa.
We're looking at space.
So real fast.
Alright. I'm watching videos on the other side. I am watching videos on the other side. But let me just pause that. Chrome GPU. Alright, WebGL is hardware accelerated. Alright, so now it's available. Now it's available. So what if at this point in time I go launch the helper and then shipping. So maybe I just had it turned off. I just had HTML5 turned off. And maybe that's why I wasn't doing anything. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. I think you... What? No. What? Wait. Alright. We got this far. And no. Nope. No, this is still not it. This is not it. Okay, well. So my one still doesn't work, but if we look at other people's, it's loading slowly because it's also loading every other page that I usually have open. And there's a lot of it. Roundabout compiling shaders 308, so this is still taking a long time. Wait, did it just not do it? About blank is not correct, guys. What is happening? HTML5 version here. Oh, look. Look at this. It's downloading data. Alright. Alright, maybe it's gonna work. But this is significantly different from the other one that we tried to do earlier. Let me just wait for that to load. What is this? We're down to 98 shaders. We're getting closer. $78. Almost there. This, we're halfway there. Everything's going slowly. That still doesn't work. 38 shaders, 28. Alright, we're getting close. 18. Man, most of these videos is just us waiting. Most of these videos is just us waiting for things to build. So the shaders are done. Now it's... Ooh, saved a bunch of stuff. Deploying executable assets to Chrome, it says. Collecting files to add to pack file, it says. And then data and JavaScript, it says. Well, it's looking more like, alright, running in Chrome. Whoa, this is not the same as last time. Compiling? Why would it compile? It's compiling in the browser? What on earth does that mean? Roundabout data downloaded, it's compiling. Why would it compile in the browser? Also, what's this doing? Running. It's not really running. So I have two of these things going on at the same time, which is probably a bad idea. Oh, wait. Nope. Alright, timestamp with no. Alright, done. Gone. Oh, wait, no, that works. Alright, that works there. This, no, wait for it. Don't kill it. Don't kill it just yet. So this one seems to be stuck. Resume. Timestamp of now. Alright, well, it's not really there. It's kind of there, but it's not really there. Alright. Not sure what's going on there. Log? What? What do you mean? What do you mean? What is all this? Warning, frame buffer not complete. Download symbol. What do you mean? Pause. Resume. What is happening? See console for details. Failed. Expression begin and false failed. Debuild. Sure. Well, it didn't work. Rats. WebGL hit a snag. Reload. WebGL not... No, just reload, dude. WebGL not detected? We just crashed? I think we just crashed WebGL, guys. New extension added. No, I don't want that stuff. What is that stuff? Yeah, no, you failed. You've launch not complete, guys. Okay, well. Let me package project for HTML5. Not that I think this is gonna work, but I mean, it kind of worked. I don't know if it's because I had two of them running at the same time and it just kind of ran out of memory or ran out of something. I have no idea what's going on. Package games HTML5 and resolution errors in HTML5. Display limit. Display resolution. Alright, so it says it's finished packaging. Whatever that means. Launch helper. So the server is there. We launch shipping. And I don't. Nope. No, that's not it. That is not it. HTML5, what is going on? HTML5, what about the other one? No, that's not it either. That's not it either. I don't know. I think I'm done with that for now. Alright, I am done with HTML5 for now. I have no idea what's going on. Well, UE4 game JavaScript. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on there. But the Windows one works. The Windows one works pretty good. And it does exactly what you expect it to do. Alright, so I'm going to put this up for you guys to download. It's nothing impressive, and I'm not sure if the arrangement is all that great. If you have opinions, you can tell me your opinions. Alright, that's it. We're done. What else am I gonna do with this? I'm not sure. I might take a break from Unreal for a while. Think about if I wanted to do anything with all this. But we did learn the basics of Unreal 4 engine. And if we want to, we can build on this. I just can't think of what to do with it. Alright. Well, when I think of something, I'll do something. I'll see you. This was good. Good learning, this series.